Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fully load Jailbreak the Fire Stick. Now, this is going to be for free movies, free TV shows, live TV, everything else. Fire Stick has been filtering out, blocking a lot of content, but today in this video, the only video that you're going to find on YouTube, I'm going to show you a way around this and how to do this properly. Okay, we're going to guide you step by step and how to get this done to make everything work. And I'll show you special apps to fix any blocks or anything like that. This doesn't work on the Fire Stick Select, but every single Fire Stick that is out there, it runs and works on it perfectly fine. I've tested it on many. Okay, so follow me along and I'll guide you step by step. The first step you want to do when you're connected and set up on your Fire Stick is go to Settings and go to My Fire TV or My Device and click on that My Fire TV. Okay, you see I have developer options. You may not have developer options, which is completely fine. Click on the About if you don't have developer options. You'll see My Fire TV. Click on the device name 8 times. Might say My Fire TV or My Device. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No need, you're already a developer. But if the first time you're doing it, it will say now you are a developer. So when you click back, you should see that you have developer options here now. Okay. Now once you're done that, you want to hit the home button. And now you want to scroll over to the Find and click into the search box right there, into the Amazon App Store. And now you can type it in, or you can use the Alexa, downloader. You want to search for the downloader application. Now it's going to come up, orange icon. These are fakes. Just worry about this one, 600 something reviews. Click on that. Okay. Now on this next step, you want to click the download button. It's going to queue it. And it's going to download the downloader application. Now, once it downloads, we're now going to open it up. We're going to get a notification. We're going to hit the home button. Okay. There's another step we got to do. We're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to My Fire TV. Now we're going to go to Developer Options. And we're going to go to Install Unknown Apps. I'm going to make sure the downloader is flicked to the on position. Now, when we do that, you want to press the home button. Now, the next step we're going to do, we're going to go to Find, I'm going to go to Search, and I'm going to unlock all this content. You need this application to get around all the blocks and all the stuff that your internet service provider might be blocking. You can't even get access to the store if we don't set this up. So let's get this special application to unlock everything. So we're going to type in IP vanish, just like that, the word IP vanish into the store. Okay, Amazon store. This will come up. You want to click on the IP vanish logo, green, white logo, VPN. IP vanish VPN looks like that. Click the download button. That's going to queue it and it's going to start downloading the IP vanish VPN. And once it downloads, I'm going to open it up and I'll explain everything. This will get around the blocks, the locks. This will allow access to the store to allow us to actually enter the store. Without this, we cannot even enter the store. The apps will not update. You won't be able to get all the updates, all the applications, over 50 premium applications for all this content. So let's open it up. And once you open it up, it'll look like something like this. And I'll show you the exact server setup and exactly what to do. So press the login button. Now the screen will flicker. Things will happen here, but you don't want to scan this barcode here. Okay, don't worry about this barcode. This is a login barcode, so don't scan this. Now, you want to scan this barcode here. I'm going to show you somewhere on the screen. My barcode here, okay, because it's not a login barcode. It's an actual barcode that's going to take you to their website to be able, for full transparency, I'll be very honest, it's a few dollars a month, $2 and change actually, cup of coffee at Starbucks. That's how much it costs. And you're going to get full unlocked content, full access to the store with over 50 great applications, all the updates, all the things, and you're going to be streaming content anonymously, and you're going to get around the blocks and filters. Okay, so scan this barcode or go to this bit link. You're going to get 87% off by going to this special links that I have negotiated for you guys, this special discount. I fought hard to get you guys this discount. It's very good deal here. 87% off, $2 and change, works on 5 Fire Sticks, 10 Fire Sticks, 100 Fire Sticks. Unlimited devices, MacBook, on TV boxes, Android boxes, NVIDIA Shields, all across the board. You can use as many devices as you want, one account, okay? So you want to scan this barcode or go to this bit.ly link, also in the pinned comment description. Now, once you're on that page, you'll just provide your email and you'll hit sign up, create your password, choose your package, and sign up. Now, when you sign up, you'll get an email confirmation from them, confirm your account, and then you'll be ready to log in. I'm going to log into mine, but you would log in with your email and password. You can pause the video to take care of that if you haven't, and then I'll show you the exact server setup to remove all those filters, to get around all that stuff, okay? So I'm going to log into mine, but you can just pause the video, take care of that, and then put in your email, put in your password once you're set up for an account, and press the login button. I'm going to log into mine, and I'll show you the server setup for this, okay, for it to make it all work. Now, once you log in, your screen will look like this. The first step you want to do is hit the gear icon. You want to say connect on Android startup. They'll connect it to the server every time you start it up, so you're protected, okay? Now go to location, that little location button right there. And once you're there, you want to go to countries to set up the servers. We'll scroll all the way to the United States, quite far back, because the letter U, it's alphabetical. Once you see United States, click on it, say favorite United States for the server, put a yellow star next to it, click on it again, and say connect to United States. Now, it's going to pop up with this pop-up. You want to press the OK button on this pop-up, and now you'll see things will happen, and you see that we're fully protected and connected. Okay, once you do that, you want to press the home button, okay, and now we can proceed to the next step. Okay, my apps and games. Once you've done that, VPN is running. You want to open up Downloader, press the OK button, click one up, click into this yellow field, and you want to put in unlinked.link. So let's put that in, unlinked.link. Okay, let's get that done. Unlinked.link, press the go button. Now what's going to happen, it's going to say connecting, and I can move my mouse cursor here up and down, left to right. Okay, I'm going to scroll down until you see download APK Android. You want to click on that download APK Android with the middle of the D-pad. It's going to say connecting, and you can see the progress starts going quite fast, and it starts downloading our unlinked application. Now once that's done, it's going to come up and pop up with this message. You want to press the install button, but don't press the open button. Press the done button. We're not done yet. Press the done. Now delete and delete to delete the installation files. We don't want to take up space on our Fire Stick. Once you're done that, press the home button. Our one last step, settings, My Fire TV, My Device, developer options, install unknown apps, unlinked to the on position just like that. Once you're done that, press the home button. Now we can launch the unlinked application. So we're going to go to My Apps and Games here. Unlinked, start it up, this will pop up, press the new library, click inside of this cursor that's blinking, and you want to put in the following code, Firestick, all lowercase, no spaces, just put in the word Firestick. That's all we need to do here. Okay, let's do that. And then press the next button. Okay, that's going to take you to the store. Once you press the middle button, this is relevant information. Take a read. You'll exactly know what to do with this information. Okay, very important information. Now click the back arrow once to get out, and click on it again to restart again once you read that information. Click New Tech Apps right here with the folder. And you can see I'm in Firestick Tools, and I'm going to show you how to install applications. So you can scroll up and down, left to right to get many applications, but today we're going to be getting App Cloner. So make sure you get this app, App Cloner, press the download button, and I'll show you how to unlock and unblock all those applications with App Cloner. If they ever do get blocked in the future, this is a nice, fast way around it. So this will start downloading, okay? And once it's finished downloading, we're going to be able to use it. So we're going to press the done button after it downloads, because we have to do, I'm going to get another application just to show you how to clone this application if it ever became broken. Any application, and you can do this with any applications. I explain everything in details, so don't worry. Let that download. Once it downloads, okay, App Cloner, click install, and press the install button, and then press the done button once it's done. And you can install any applications, scrolling up and down, left to right, and get all those applications for movies, TV shows, whatever you want, okay? Now let's get this Firestick task tool. Let's press the download, and you would download any applications in the same way I'm doing this right now. Install app, press the install, fast task installed. That's it. Up and down, left to right, get all those applications. Now, once you're done installing any applications you like, and especially the App Cloner application, go to settings. We got to do one final step. My Fire TV again, developer options again, install unknown apps. Make sure you turn App Cloner to the on position. If you don't see it, hit back and go back into install unknown apps. It should appear after, okay? But you should see it, App Cloner. Make sure it's in the on position. So you can come back to the Unlinked store and you can install any application you want, and they'll all show up. All those movie applications, all those TV show applications, they'll show up here. And if you try to launch it, like let's say I tried to launch that and it was blocked, for example. So I'll show you how to fix it. So you just simply go to App Cloner. If that application was blocked that I just installed, you would start up App Cloner. For the first time, it'll show you some agreements. So you can just scroll a little bit down here, and then you just hit the middle of the D-pad and press the agree button. Now it will start up, and you can see this is the application we installed. And if it wasn't working, it was blocked, we could click on it and we could say clone app and click on clone app. And this will clone the application. Now this is very nice and very good. It does it so fast. And this, we're basically fixing it right on the spot. So once that's done, you'll see it. They'll start installing it right away when we clone it. We press the install button. But the problem now is we have two same applications. Press the done button. We have the original, which was blocked, and we have the clone. So my advice is just to click on the original again that was blocked and press the uninstall and uninstall the original and get left with the cloned after you do that. Now when you hit home, it's not going to tell you that the application is the clone, but we have one. If we didn't uninstall, we would have two of those applications and we'd be confused which one's working and which one's not. This is the best way to do it. You would start it up and the application should work. That's a quick fix, quick patch, unlocks everything. No more this headache on your Fire Stick, okay? Now I'll show you for this entire process. My VPN was on. So for this to work, for you to get updates for all that streaming, make sure you get protected via VPN. You get the best discount, 87% off, like I explained earlier in the video. If you want to get all the updates and all the things, simply scan this QR or go to this bit link, also in the pinned comment description. Any apps that I open for movies or shows, I always make sure that my VPN is on, connected to a US server. That's going to give you the updates, it's going to give you the links, and it's going to make it all work. So make sure you sign up if you haven't. You're going to get the best deal. A cup of coffee at Starbucks, that's how much it is. $2 and change, works all across devices. Okay, so that concludes my setup. And once you install the apps, they'll show up here. And like I said, and you can launch them here. For this entire process, I had my VPN on. You can leave downloader on here. Unlinked, you can go back in any time. App Cloner is there. You can clone and fix all the applications on the go. Okay, so that pretty much concludes the fully loading, jailbreaking Fire Stick, whatever you want to call it, but fully unlocking it, fully making it work. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. If this worked for you, comment below. If it hasn't, comment below as well. Also, I haven't put a pin lock in my store. Lots of people have been knocking off my content and trying to do what I do all the time. Okay, but I've been doing this for a while and I have helped you a lot, guys. I would appreciate a comment, because below this comment, below right this video, I'm going to reply with the 4-digit pin if I do ever put that in place. I haven't yet, but if I ever do, you'll get that comment right below. Okay, that's pretty much it. Also, share the video to your friends and family. This is the easiest process. This is the only process that works right now for a full video from start to finish, guiding you slowly, step by step, and this is guaranteed to work except on the Fire Stick Select. I hope this worked for you. I hope you're happy, and I don't ask for anything but just to subscribe and just to drop a comment right below this video if I do have a pin lock in place. Just anything. You can say pin lock, what's your favorite food, what city and town you're representing, anything will help. Okay, thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys and gals in the next video. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Take care.